Have you noticed your legs getting weaker? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder, or standing for long periods leaves you exhausted. You're not imagining it, your legs weaken first as you age, and most people ignore the warning signs until it's too late. Here's what doctors won't tell you: leg weakness isn't just about exercise, it starts in your kitchen. The foods you're eating right now are either rebuilding your muscle strength or silently breaking it down. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful foods that target leg muscle regeneration at the cellular level. These aren't exotic superfoods, they're simple, affordable ingredients that can reverse years of muscle loss. Stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could be the difference between walking independently at 80 or depending on others. Eggs are nature's most complete protein source, and when it comes to rebuilding leg muscle, nothing works faster or more efficiently. Inside every egg, you'll find all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios: leucine, isoleucine, valine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and histidine. Your body cannot manufacture these amino acids on its own, which means you must get them from food. And eggs deliver them in the most bioavailable form possible. When you eat an egg, your body absorbs approximately 94% of the protein, compared to only 70–80% from plant sources. This matters tremendously for your legs because your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calf muscles are constantly breaking down and rebuilding throughout the day with every step you take, every stair you climb, every time you stand up from a chair. Without those 9 essential amino acids circulating in your bloodstream, your muscles cannot complete the repair process, and over time, you lose strength, stability, and independence. The most critical amino acid for leg muscle is leucine, and eggs contain higher concentrations of it than almost any other food. Leucine acts like a switch that turns on muscle protein synthesis, the biological process where your body takes amino acids and weaves them into new muscle fibers. Studies show that older adults need approximately 5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal to trigger this muscle building response, and just 2 large eggs provide nearly 1 gram. When you combine eggs with other protein sources throughout the day, you easily reach that threshold, giving your leg muscles the raw materials they need to grow stronger rather than weaker. This is especially vital after age 50, when your body becomes resistant to muscle growth signals, a condition called anabolic resistance. Your muscles need more protein and more leucine to achieve the same results they did when you were younger, and eggs provide exactly that. Beyond protein, eggs contain nutrients that specifically target leg muscle function. The yolk, which many people mistakenly avoid, contains vitamin D, a nutrient that 40% of adults are deficient in. Vitamin D receptors exist throughout your muscle tissue, and when these receptors are activated, your muscles contract more powerfully and recover more quickly. Research demonstrates that people with low vitamin D levels experience significantly more leg weakness, slower walking speeds, and higher fall risk. 1 whole egg provides about 6% of your daily vitamin D needs, and when you eat 3 eggs, you're supplying nearly 20%. The yolk also contains choline, a nutrient that helps your brain communicate with your leg muscles through neurotransmitters. Without adequate choline, the electrical signals that tell your legs to move become weaker and less coordinated, leading to shuffling steps and poor balance. Eggs also provide selenium and B vitamins that support mitochondrial function inside your muscle cells. Your mitochondria are the tiny powerhouses that generate energy, and your leg muscles contain thousands of them because walking, standing, and climbing require tremendous amounts of cellular fuel. When your mitochondria function optimally, your legs feel strong and energized even after hours of activity. When they struggle due to nutrient deficiencies, you experience that heavy, fatigued feeling that makes every movement exhausting. The combination of protein, vitamin D, choline, selenium, and B vitamins makes eggs the single most powerful food for leg muscle regeneration, and the best part is they work quickly. Within hours of eating eggs, those amino acids are circulating through your bloodstream, reaching your leg muscles and beginning the repair process that reverses years of gradual weakening. Wild-caught salmon stands apart from every other protein source because of its extraordinary omega-3 fatty acid content, specifically EPA and DHA. The 2 most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in nature. Your leg muscles exist in a constant state of microscopic damage and repair. Every time you walk, climb stairs, or simply stand, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers, triggering an inflammatory response. In healthy amounts, inflammation signals your body to send repair crews to rebuild those fibers stronger than before. But as you age, inflammation becomes chronic and excessive, overwhelming your body's repair mechanisms and causing your leg muscles to break down faster than they can rebuild. This is where wild-caught salmon becomes transformative. A single 4-ounce serving delivers approximately 500 to 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s, flooding your system with compounds that calm excessive inflammation while preserving the healthy inflammatory signals your muscles need for growth. Studies show that older adults who consume adequate omega-3s experience significantly less muscle loss over time compared to those who don't, and their leg strength measurements remain stable or even improve. The magic happens at the cellular level through a process called protein synthesis. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon integrate directly into your muscle cell membranes, making them more fluid and receptive to anabolic signals like insulin and amino acids. When your muscle cells become insulin sensitive, they absorb more glucose for energy and more amino acids for repair. Research demonstrates that omega-3 supplementation increases the rate of muscle protein synthesis by up to 50% in older adults, meaning your muscles rebuild themselves faster and more completely after daily activities that stress your legs. Your quadriceps and calves become more resilient, recovering overnight instead of remaining sore and weak for days. This accelerated recovery prevents the gradual decline that most people accept as normal aging, when in reality it's a correctable nutritional deficiency. Wild-caught salmon also contains astaxanthin, the pink pigment that gives the fish its distinctive color. Astaxanthin is one of the most powerful antioxidants ever studied, up to 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C at neutralizing free radicals inside your muscles. During exercise or even routine movement, your mitochondria produce reactive oxygen species that damage muscle proteins and DNA. Over decades, this oxidative stress accumulates, causing your leg muscles to lose their contractile power and endurance. Astaxanthin penetrates deep into muscle tissue, protecting your mitochondria and preserving their ability to generate energy efficiently. People who consume astaxanthin-rich foods like wild-caught salmon report less muscle fatigue, faster recovery between activities, and better overall leg strength during functional tasks like getting out of chairs or carrying groceries. The difference between wild-caught and farmed salmon cannot be overstated. Wild salmon swim thousands of miles against ocean currents, developing deep red flesh packed with omega-3s from their natural diet of krill and small fish. Farmed salmon live in crowded pens, eating processed feed that produces pale artificially colored with synthetic dyes. The omega-3 content in farmed salmon is approximately 50% lower, and the omega-6 content is significantly higher, creating an inflammatory ratio that counteracts the very benefits you're seeking. Wild-caught salmon also contains dramatically higher levels of vitamin D and selenium, two nutrients essential for muscle function and strength. Vitamin D activates genes responsible for muscle growth, while selenium protects muscle cells from oxidative damage during contraction. When you choose wild-caught salmon twice per week, you're delivering a comprehensive arsenal of nutrients that specifically target leg muscle regeneration, reduce soreness and stiffness, improve mobility, and restore the strength you thought was gone forever. Greek yogurt has become a staple in health-conscious households, but most people don't understand why it's so profoundly different from regular yogurt. When it comes to leg muscle strength, the straining process that creates Greek yogurt removes excess whey and lactose, concentrating the protein to approximately 15-20 grams per cup compared to just 89 grams in regular yogurt. This matters enormously for your legs because protein density determines how effectively your body can rebuild muscle tissue throughout the day. When you consume Greek yogurt, you're delivering a substantial protein dose that contains all the essential amino acids your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calf muscles need to repair microscopic damage from daily activities. But the real advantage goes beyond simple protein content. Greek yogurt provides a unique combination of fast-acting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein, creating a sustained release of amino acids into your bloodstream for up to 4 hours after eating. This extended delivery means your leg muscles receive continuous rebuilding signals rather than the brief spike you get from other protein sources. The probiotic cultures in Greek yogurt add another dimension that most people completely overlook. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria that directly influence how well you absorb nutrients from every meal you eat. When your gut microbiome is imbalanced due to antibiotic use, processed foods, or stress, your intestinal lining becomes inflamed and permeable, allowing nutrients to pass through unabsorbed. You might be eating adequate protein, vitamins, and minerals, but if your gut can't extract them efficiently, your leg muscles never receive the raw materials they need. Greek yogurt contains live cultures like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium that colonize your intestines, heal inflammation, and restore the tight junctions between intestinal cells. Research shows that people who consume probiotic-rich foods absorb up to 38% more amino acids from their meals compared to those with poor gut health. This means the chicken, eggs, and fish you're eating become significantly more effective at building leg muscle when you regularly consume Greek yogurt alongside them. Greek yogurt also provides exceptional amounts of calcium and phosphorus, two minerals that work synergistically to support both bone density and muscle contraction. Your leg muscles cannot generate force without adequate calcium flowing in and out of muscle cells with each contraction. When calcium levels drop even slightly, your muscles become weak, sluggish, and prone to cramping. 1 cup of Greek yogurt delivers approximately 20% of your daily calcium needs in a highly absorbable form, superior to supplements which often pass through your system unused. The phosphorus in Greek yogurt combines with calcium to create ATP, the energy currency your muscles burn during every movement. Without sufficient phosphorus, your leg muscles fatigue rapidly, making even simple tasks like walking feel exhausting. The versatility of Greek yogurt makes it effortless to incorporate into your daily routine in ways that maximize muscle benefits. Eating it within 30 minutes after physical activity creates an anabolic window where your muscles are desperately hungry for protein and absorb nutrients more efficiently than any other time of day. Adding berries provides antioxidants that reduce exercise-induced inflammation, while a handful of almonds contributes healthy fats that slow digestion and extend amino acid delivery even longer. Having Greek yogurt as a bedtime snack supplies your leg muscles with casein protein that digests slowly throughout the night, supporting the critical repair processes that happen during deep sleep. Many older adults wake up with stiff, weak legs because their muscles were starved of amino acids for 8 hours. Greek yogurt before bed solves this problem elegantly, ensuring your muscles have continuous access to building blocks when repair mechanisms are most active, leading to noticeably stronger, more responsive legs within weeks. Leafy greens like spinach contain naturally occurring nitrates that transform into nitric oxide inside your body. And this single compound may be the most underestimated factor in leg muscle strength and endurance. Nitric oxide acts as a signaling molecule that relaxes and dilates your blood vessels, increasing their diameter and allowing significantly more blood to flow through with each heartbeat. When blood flow to your legs increases by up to 38%, as research has documented, your muscles receive dramatically more oxygen and nutrients with every step you take. This matters because your leg muscles are among the largest and most metabolically demanding tissues in your body, requiring constant fuel delivery to function optimally. When blood flow is restricted due to age, related arterial stiffness, or poor diet, your legs simply cannot perform. You experience weakness, heaviness, cramping, and that exhausted feeling that makes you want to sit down after minimal activity. Spinach and other leafy greens reverse this process naturally by restoring youthful blood flow to your lower extremities. The nitrates in spinach work through a fascinating pathway that begins the moment you chew. Bacteria on your tongue convert dietary nitrates into nitrites, which then travel to your stomach and bloodstream where they transform into nitric oxide. This process continues for hours after eating, creating sustained improvements in circulation rather than a brief temporary effect. Studies involving older adults show that consuming nitrate-rich vegetables daily for just 1 week produces measurable improvements in walking speed, stair climbing ability, and time to fatigue during leg exercises. The participants didn't change anything else about their diet or activity levels, yet their leg function improved dramatically simply because their muscles finally received adequate oxygen and nutrient delivery. This demonstrates how profoundly circulation impacts muscle performance and how quickly leafy greens can restore function you thought was permanently lost. Beyond nitrates, spinach provides an exceptional concentration of magnesium, a mineral that 50% of older adults consume in insufficient amounts. Magnesium regulates over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including every single muscle contraction and relaxation cycle. Your leg muscles contain thousands of muscle fibers that must contract in perfect coordination to generate smooth, powerful movement. When magnesium levels drop, these fibers misfire, creating weakness, tremors, and involuntary cramping, especially at night. The magnesium in spinach restores proper electrical signaling between your nerves and muscles, eliminating cramps and improving the force your legs can generate during functional activities. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides approximately 40% of your daily magnesium needs, and the plant-based form is highly absorbable when consumed with a small amount of healthy fat. Spinach also delivers vitamin K in extraordinary amounts, with a single cup providing over 900% of your daily requirement. Vitamin K activates proteins that direct calcium into your bones and teeth while preventing it from depositing in your blood vessels and soft tissues. Many people consume adequate calcium but develop arterial calcification because they lack vitamin K to guide that calcium properly. When your leg arteries become stiff and calcified, blood flow diminishes and muscle function declines. Vitamin K from spinach keeps your arteries flexible and responsive, ensuring they can dilate fully when your legs need increased circulation during movement. The combination of nitrates for immediate blood flow enhancement, magnesium for optimal muscle contraction, and vitamin K for long-term vascular health makes spinach one of the most complete foods for leg strength. Eating it raw in salads preserves the maximum nitrate content, while lightly steaming it concentrates the magnesium and makes other nutrients more bioavailable, giving you flexibility to incorporate this powerhouse vegetable into meals throughout the day for sustained leg muscle support. Almonds are often dismissed as just a healthy snack, but they contain a precise combination of magnesium and vitamin E that directly addresses two of the most common complaints older adults have about their legs: painful cramping and slow recovery after activity. Magnesium deficiency affects nearly half of all adults over 50, and the consequences show up most noticeably in your leg muscles. Magnesium acts as a natural calcium blocker, regulating how much calcium flows into your muscle cells during contraction and ensuring it flows back out during relaxation. When magnesium levels are inadequate, calcium floods into muscle cells and gets stuck there, causing prolonged, painful contractions that wake you up at night or stop you mid-stride during daily activities. Just 1 ounce of almonds, about 23 nuts, provides approximately 80 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 20% of your daily requirement. Unlike magnesium supplements that can cause digestive upset and often pass through your system unabsorbed, the magnesium in almonds comes packaged with healthy fats and fiber that slow digestion and maximize absorption, delivering this critical mineral exactly where your leg muscles need it most. The vitamin E in almonds provides a completely different but equally important benefit for leg muscle strength and endurance. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that embeds itself directly into your muscle cell membranes, protecting them from oxidative damage during contraction. Every time your leg muscles work, they generate free radicals as a byproduct of energy production. In small amounts, these free radicals actually stimulate beneficial adaptations that make your muscles stronger. But when they accumulate excessively due to inflammation, poor diet, or inadequate antioxidant intake, they damage the delicate membranes surrounding your muscle cells, causing them to become leaky and dysfunctional. This oxidative stress is one of the primary reasons your legs feel sore and weak for days after activities that wouldn't have fazed you years ago. The vitamin E in almonds neutralizes these free radicals before they can cause lasting damage, dramatically accelerating your recovery time. Research shows that people who maintain adequate vitamin E levels experience significantly less muscle soreness, faster strength recovery, and better preservation of muscle mass over time compared to those who are deficient. Almonds also provide plant-based protein with a complete amino acid profile that supports ongoing muscle repair throughout the day. While they don't contain as much protein as animal sources, the 6 grams in 1 ounce contributes meaningfully to your daily total, especially when combined with other protein-rich foods. The protein in almonds digests slowly due to their high fiber and fat content, creating a steady trickle of amino acids into your bloodstream for hours after eating. This sustained release prevents the muscle breakdown that occurs during long gaps between meals, a common problem for older adults who might eat only 2 or 3 times daily. Your leg muscles need consistent amino acid availability to maintain their mass and strength, and almonds bridge those gaps elegantly. The healthy monounsaturated fats in almonds enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D and vitamin K from other foods you eat in the same meal. Many people consume adequate amounts of these critical nutrients but absorb them poorly because they avoid dietary fat. When you add almonds to a salad containing leafy greens, you dramatically increase your absorption of vitamin K. When you eat them alongside eggs, you enhance vitamin D uptake. This synergistic effect makes almonds a force multiplier for leg muscle health. amplifying the benefits of every other nutrient-dense food in your diet. The convenience of almonds makes them ideal for preventing the muscle breakdown that happens when you go too long without eating, ensuring your legs have continuous access to magnesium, vitamin E, protein, and healthy fats that prevent cramps, accelerate recovery, and maintain the strength you need for independent, active living.